Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Comfort and I am a fashion designer. So this is actually my first video and I would like to introduce myself and what this channel is going to be about. Kindly stay tuned and watch till the end. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Komlafe Comfort and I am the creative director of Comfy Exquisite Couture. Comfy Exquisite Couture is a brand that is targeted at female of all ages, that is girls and women. We make bespoke clothing, ready to wear and casual wears. You can follow us across our social media platforms at Comfy Exquisite Couture on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. So to the main point of this video, I would like to state what this channel is about. So this channel is going to be mainly for fashion enthusiasts, fashion designers, and people that wants to learn the basics of cutting and sewing. So on this channel, I'll be posting sewing tutorials. I'll be sharing sewing tips and hacks for fashion designer to make fashion designing and sewing generally seamless. You know, there are some challenges that we face as fashion designers and you can easily come to YouTube to learn. So this is why this channel is here, to help people improve in sewing and cutting. So if this is what you would like to learn, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. And please do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms: TikTok at Comfy Exquisite Couture, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye.